I'm back. I don't know if I'll be able to put these two together, so this might be part 1 and part 2. Sorry about that, but that was my father-in-law calling, and my husband didn't answer the phone.
Okay, yeah, I can go and we've got Amelia's recital, so I can't stay out too late in the afternoon.
Okay. Alrighty, friends. There we have it. Now this one, I don't really want to go blue around the edges. I think I have a red here. Red. And I'm going to have to use the brown to go with it. So it's going to be a brownish red. Okay, there we go. I want to take this sharp part off of here. It was a little too sharp for our comfort. Okay, so this one I'm going to put on this side of the page so that you can put stuff here. You can write on it, but you can sure write on it on this side more. So, we've strengthened this up, and so to do the tuck spot, we're just going to put this down along the bottom. And I like to kind of straighten it off here with the glue. And then let's take it out of here. Let's scoot all that over. And let's put it right there. And that, my friends, will be a beautiful little place to put something to tuck in there. And what else? What else? Okay, well, I think we'll call it quits for today, and hopefully I can thread these two together somehow and save it as an MP4. And yeah, otherwise it will be in 2 parts, and I apologize for that. I'm sorry if that happens, but it'll be a part 1 and part 2 video. Okay, well, that is what we have for today. Our little happy snowman here. Our little snowy snow right here. And then I was just showing you the cover and stuff with the rest of it. So there we go. Let's get this out of the way and put our top on our glue. There we go. And I'll have to get a baggie for the snow. So there we go. Thank you so much for joining me for this little video, and I sure hope that I can put these two back together again. Humpty Dumpty. I've got a Humpty Dumpty moment down here, guys. That's with my video. So there we go. That's all I have for today. Just a happy snowman and some happy snow. And these snowflakes that we did. And that's it. Maybe tomorrow we'll I think we'll glue that down tomorrow. But I think we'll add some sparkles to these two characters down here. Okay? Alright, thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.